Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic: how to add your phone bill to Credit Karma in 2025. If you're looking to boost your credit score or just keep better track of your bills, Credit Karma is an awesome tool, and adding your phone bill can make a big difference. Let's get started. First off, why bother? Credit Karma helps you monitor your credit, and reporting bills like your phone payment on time can improve your credit history. But before we jump in, make sure you have a Credit Karma account set up and your phone bill details handy, like your account number or provider info. Step 1. Log into your Credit Karma account. Head to the website or open the app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, look for the Reports or Credit Builder section. It's usually front and center. Next, find the Add Accounts or Link Bills option. This might be under a menu like Accounts and Bills in the 2025 update. Click on that, and you'll see a list of bill types you can add. Select Phone Bill from the drop-down. Now, enter your details. You'll need to input your phone provider, account number, and the amount you pay monthly. Double-check everything for accuracy. Credit Karma will verify this info with your provider. If you run into issues, like if your provider isn't listed, don't worry. Credit Karma has partnered with more services in 2025, so try searching for it or uploading a bill statement manually. Once submitted, it might take a few days to reflect, so be patient. And that's it, you've successfully added your phone bill. Remember, consistent on-time payments can really help your credit score soar. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.